Maybe we should divert from the yard talk. Now that this come up. JLP and PNP. When Jamaican people are going to wise up when it comes to politics? When it comes to politics, when it's Jamaica, people going to wise up. You still live in a ghetto and a slum, you know, running water, you know, light. You have access to internet. Cable still a thing, you know. Why are you still running around talking about power and show? And if you live in a them the condition and them the place a situation we just talk about, why you still have vote the same way? There shouldn't be no Labour right area in a Jamaica, no PNP area. It shouldn't be a people area. I don't get nothing. Imagine for the last decades in 2025. You live so close to running water down the road, and you know none. To light, and you know none. And you run around talk about PNP and JLP. Like, you know, something was wrong with you. So I said, if I want to start looking into myself. We see if I find no politics nonsense can't talk about this. So. Yeah, we're up on the see what I wanted at the politics.
Good afternoon and welcome to the Midday News. Here's what we have in the bulletin. Another meeting set for today with Labour Ministry and disgruntled workers at Breathless and Secrets Resort in Montego Bay, St. James. Constituents in Northwest St. Elizabeth called for the removal of J.C. Hutchinson as their Member of Parliament. And later in sports, Reggae Boys head coach encourages team to be fearless ahead of USA clash in Nations League. Thank you for joining us. I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson. Here are the details. The tropical wave that has been impacting weather conditions across
politics value, my girl.
At Breathless and Secrets Resort
James. It comes after disgruntled workers walked off the job.
O'Shane Masters reports.
There's a hope that all will be well following negotiations with staff and management at Breathless and Secrets Resorts in Montego Bay, St. James. It comes after disgruntled workers walked off the job yesterday, complaining about a number of issues including low wages and being overworked. And just like last month at Royalton, guests were left to feel the brunt of the impact. Shadow spokesperson on tourism, Senator Janice Allen, says the issues aired are deeply concerning and needs to be addressed with urgency.
We must do better for the people who are the
tourism. Shadow spokesperson, tourism. That's a shadow spokesperson.
Backbone of Jamaica's tourism industry. As I said earlier today, yes, we want
and needs
want to see where title
to be addressed with urgency.
We must do better for the people who are the backbone of Jamaica's tourism industry. As I said earlier today, yes, we want investors to make profits, but our people should also feel the profits. Workers are vital to this industry's success, and we cannot continue to overwork them, ignore their concerns, and fail to compensate them fairly.
She's therefore calling on the tourism minister.
Why are these things not? These people should not fear protest. These are not Jamaican companies; they are foreign corporations. Like these type of contractual pay obligation should they're done from the government contract. You say, hey, you're coming in a country, come to business. You have to make sure you pay our people no less than this as a minimum wage. After this medical care, this. So I found out around about JLP and PNP. They didn't have enough for them. They didn't even fight for them when foreign money come in. You know what cheap it is to operate for them hotel in Jamaica? And when the money just gone back, I'm not getting nothing out of it. So no JLP and PNP, they will help fight for them. I found out too dumb run about. And a palm and don't show money, don't show them come from me now. Clowns.
Edmund Bartlett to give greater credence to the plight of the tourism workers. Senator Allen says the focus can not only be on
I don't know talk about countries and country that and a brag about some ghetto and zinc fence place and all type. You don't see no trees, no they're near dump up land. Like when I brag about what's on when people talk about Jamaica and if stop talk. Yeah. Can't in my place no better. Yeah, bad man place become pro red that I want to promote. Show place in on man, really. That place can't better, yo. Most of them people want to see the artists, them way I go and them can't tell you nothing better than a song because they don't see nothing better. Them sit down in their slums when, even if them live outside their hood, or the garrison or whatever. That's why enough of them have to go back in there or go near, they go hang out near this with the same guys of people then. Because they don't know if you talk and act with a different set of people, even if they have more money and certain higher society of people. So if when they go America and go tour around and places, they end up back in the same ghetto and it with them. Or the same set of people. Because they can't run nobody else. And so them not end up seeing nothing else. They not see no different family structure because enough Jamaica and America, they want to stay to them one thing, they don't explore. That's why them so narrow-minded. But them can't push family because they don't see how family other people and family operate. If them never been around other sort of people, Indian, this, that, Puerto Rican, blah blah, see how certain different people operate. So they might be same toxic mindset up on the corner and the hood and they so then go back. So they can't go no different perspective in their song. If I them don't think them a big artist and a song hole in the wall them a go perform. Where probably average Jamaican would even hang out there. So don't make these dumb artists fool of all.
adding additional rooms.
At this rate, as I said today, we won't have willing people to work in these many hotels that are coming on stream. Jamaica's tourism success depends on these workers, and it's time we put them first.
Meanwhile, the Labour Ministry says dialogue will continue with management on the issues highlighted. However, a word of caution from Labour Minister Pernell Charles Jr.
To urge employers to have and to create open lines.
If this nigga ain't doing what he's supposed to, get him the fuck up out of here and vote for somebody else. Stop with this power and show. Whoever, we don't care what side they end up on. If we ain't getting enough, when the values meet, out of here. Stop fucking with these politicians.
Of communication for internal management of workers' concerns.
2025 bring common sense back. We don't take narcissism in the wrong way. We don't look out for yourself in the wrong way. We want the wrong attention.
This is critical if we are going to maintain the balance and the harmony between stakeholders in these important sectors.
O'Shane Masters, TVJ News.
Constituents in Northwest St. Elizabeth are this afternoon calling for the removal of their Member of Parliament, J.C. Hutchinson.
You hear that? Yes. St. Elizabeth, you just want to keep them on the right track. Get them out of here. Go put up on a placard and do peaceful protest.
Supporters bearing placards gathered at the MP's office Wednesday morning. Their placards bore concerns about the MP's supposed lack of vision for the constituency. Now, Mr. Hutchinson has been the MP for the past 27 years, but his constituents say they are tired of the promises.
Right now, because when we look on the road, JC not doing nothing to hit the lot of all now.
If you not don't get him out of here, Papa. Love one another. And guess what? If you get him out of here and you're not replacing him, change to the next party and stop living for one party or one two.
That's not looking all the way.
Most of them don't want to see them when election year come. How long will I fall for the same trick? But they say the definition of madness are doing the same thing over and over. So we can be a mad people there in Jamaica. And we are supposed to be a mad people. Yo.
Look on the straight road. Look at what tan. How just behave.
Just talk about it, maybe they watch every day. If you not have road, if you not have light, running water, high speed internet. Way since I talk about power and show and I run around, I'm not taking a year.
Like that. Man, we go one side, man. I think time move now, man.
Over the years in a power and I don't.
Yes, Poopa. I like what you say. Run it back, what Poopa say.
They look over all now. Listen to all now. Look on the straight road. Look at what tan. How just behave like that. Man, we go one side, man. I think time move now, man.
Over the years in a power and I don't see what he is doing to Northeast West, Northwest St. Elizabeth. So he must go in, can expire, so he must go make a younger set come and take his.
Yes, Mama making. Go ahead. I got this too. Go on, if you go on, drop a bomb. Drop a bomb, and if you turn up a bomb, so. Wait till we start at this YouTube, full throttle. Pause, no Diddy. Alright, man.
The last election, I don't vote for Ochi. So the next election, next year, they say to run, I will never vote if he no come out.
Here you go. The whole Jamaica need for the type of thing. You don't want to change. And stop looking politicians are going to save nothing. But if everybody depend on that type of time, we're not going to say better. Start with for crime. Start with for corruption.
We get better.
Them time has come, you know. Him fool the people, them has enough. And the people, them make up their mind and they say, higher authority need to come.
Bring common sense back to Jamaica. My boy Trump said, bringing common sense back to America. But over here, we're bringing common sense back to Jamaica. One conversation at a time. I shout out to the people and we are moving needle already.
On the ground, and come know what I want.
Now we attempted to reach Mr. Hutchinson, but calls to his phone went to voicemail.
Man have to call for one. Should not go to no voicemail. If you work for people, your phone's supposed to always get. If phone the government give you for work for people, you're supposed to always pick that bitch up. While they're on the clock. And return the call.
Kingston and St. Andrew Mayor Andrew Swaby says there.
Yeah, but what if you man know me, no, you man know me, family? Shut the fuck up, your NPC.
There are no immediate plans to increase market.
I stop looking up on the people, man. That's why nobody now afraid to come in, because why them already shut down, what am I going to say?
Fees. He addressed the issue at yesterday's Municipal Corporation meeting. Krista Campbell reports.
So yeah, them people are really literally sum up what the fuck I was actually saying. I didn't even see that video, but that somebody don't want. Like, I don't get it. Why? Why push power and show and bad man thing? Like, yeah, we need to bring snitch back in Jamaica 2025. We need to bring in farmer back. We need to start bringing logics back, common sense. We need to get the whole them out of dance and the dunce them out of dance.